I'm gonna stay back because you're too close. What is up, you guys? Do you want to pan over here for me, sir? So I broke Rue. I got in a fight with that trash can, backed up into it at about 5 in the morning, and the trash can won. So this is a new decal, just so you guys all know. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to come along while I pack up Rue to go camping, and 98% of you said yes, so that's what we're doing. We're doing this informal packing video. If you watched my last video, you know I had surgery, so I'm not allowed to like be on the road full time right now, so Blue and I have to get our adventure in little spurts. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gearing up to go camping, and this is just gonna be informal and fun, so let's just get started. So I'm coming into like my totes and stuff from the road trip. I never really unpacked anything, so I'm just gonna start organizing. I think I'll put all my car stuff in one, and all my camping stuff in the other. Yeah? Yeah? Good idea? So we got tools, brake fluid. You guys know if you watched my How I Live Out of My Car video, all that fun stuff. Switching my tent stuff to this one. Am I doing that right? No, I'm not. No. Just kidding. This is the car one. Tools, funnel, 2 funnels. In case rear breaks down, still got seafoam. This is... I already had so much of this stuff that I didn't have to buy. Alright, we got bug spray over here. Oh, Blue's all natural tick spray. Got more Rue tools over here. Blue's brush. Fun! Tent stuff. Deet. Poop bags. Lit. Okay. So this one's done, because this is all just car stuff. Cool! Here's my tent, and I never pack this thing up. Just kind of shove it, you know, too much work to roll it every time. Show and tell. When Blue and I are living on the road, as you guys know, we mostly stay at like safe locations like Walmart parking lots or rest areas, stuff where I don't get out my tent every night. So like I said in my How I Live Out of My Car video, I wish I camped more, but I just don't daily. So there's a lot of stuff I had to pick up that I didn't have on hand, if that makes sense. So that's what we're getting into. That's what I had to buy. I'll put Blue's stuff in here. I got Blue a little portable water thing because, you know, he ate his last one. You know how Blue does. Keeps it real. I got pet wipes because, you know, Blue's nasty. So I thought that was worth it. And then, oh, I also have like a bunch of trees for him I was going to show. I'll get to that later. Cool. This is a hot mess, isn't it? I'm really someone who needs to plan out her videos because this is fucked. Alright. Oh no, they're right here. Here's Blue stuff. Look at me go, prepared. Tennis ball, important, because you know Blue. Bones and stuff. Okay? All the things that make Blue happy and keep him distracted when there are people at another campground that he's trying to attack to protect his turf. Distractions. This is Blue's little goodie bag. We'll throw that in with the car stuff. I need to find vegan marshmallows. That's the goal for this upcoming camping trip. Okay? And we've got sunscreen. Ooh, should I keep these all together in like a bag? Okay, I'll separate them. A lighter fluid. Hold please. and 4 fire starters because damn it, I'm gonna make a fire on this trip. And we are all gonna be so proud because since I started the road trip and was in Vermont, like 6 days in, I have not been able to make a fire. So we're gonna do it this time, you guys. I picked up tent stakes because, you know, I think I broke mine. Roman Reckless. Lighter. Bug spray. Okay, super freaking thrilling. I know you guys are all like on the edge of your seat. So am I. Okay. Roof rack done. Easy peasy. Where's the top? This is an internal video, you guys, because there's really not much. Like, I'm not a huge camper. I don't camp fancy. It's not like I'm like cooking meals or like I have friends that camp really well and have a lot of gadgets and stuff, and I just don't. You know how I roll. So I don't know how exciting this will be, but this is how I set up for camp. Look how sad that is. How depressing. So you're gonna notice that room's a little bit more empty because I don't have stuff to be living out of my car 24/7. This is just for like a quick trip. That is set up the same as it is when I do like live out of my car on the road full time, but what I'm actually gonna do is take this and flip it up in half. I guess I can just do that right now. Show you what I mean. Okay, so I do this because I like to have my bed like made, and if for some reason I can't set up my tent and I have to sleep in my car, all I have to do is flip it down. There's not much to do, but also when it comes time for me to set up my tent, I can just pick up that sandwich and throw it in the tent, and it's already made. So it's just kind of like a pre-made bed, I guess. Yeah. And then I also like to do that because when we're camping, Blue gets nasty. So I like to give him his own little half of the trunk to be nasty in and lay in. So he'll probably chill back here. He'll ride up front with me for the first part of the trip, but once he gets disgusting, we'll have him back here. And then I have his food. I have water over here. I grabbed a couple jugs of water. Little bowl in hand. And then I have my go bag back here now because someone said on my how to live out of your car video, they were like, why is your go bag in your roof rack? What if something happens or your roof rack falls off or whatever, and then your go bag's gone and the whole point of your survival gear is pointless. So I was like, that's a good idea. I should keep it in my vehicle. So it's living right there right now with a tarp because, again, Blue gets nasty, so have to have that on hand. So this black bag here is kind of like my knickknacks for the car. There's just random stuff in there, like extra bungee cords. I think I have like tissues in there, just like random stuff. It's not important, so I just put it right there. I have a pile of clothes, but ignore those. They're gonna go into my backpack. Those are not ready yet. I have a camping chair right here. And then I also have like face wipes and toiletries in between the seats. And then my drone and all of my electronics are charging right now. So once I put those in my electronic backpack, those will sit right here in this back chair or seat. All right. And then what do I have up here? I have some wine. I just have all my snacks in here. And like canned food in case something happens and, you know, I'm starving. I don't know. That's literally it. You guys, it's not as extensive as me living out of my car. It's just I have snacks, wine, my tent, stuff to sleep with, camping chair, snacks, Blue's food, Blue's water, go bag. Oh, I have my little fan back there. I don't know if I showed them that. And stuff to keep my car alive if something happens. My electronics and my clothes I'll put in later. But, I mean, you guys want to see, so there's magic. Man, Crystal can't stop today. I need to rein her in. I should probably get my totes up and then fill up Rue's tires because I've had air leaks in my tires for how many months? 4 months at least. No, not even. Or not, like 6 months. I've had 2 air leaks and had them both filled, discount tire, and they're both still leaking. So I have my little nifty air thing. So we'll do that. You guys want to watch me struggle putting up my totes? Because this is what happens every time. And I usually cut it out of the vlog because it's so embarrassing. All right. I gotta remember the red one. This car.
Red, bad car.
Literally me on the road. Like in a Walmart parking lot by myself. Excuse me. You don't need no man. You know what I'm saying? Also, you guys remind me to get a new roof rack because this eBay one is toast. Probably gonna break off. What am I forgetting?
Lift with your back.
Huh?
Lift your back in a short, fast, jerking motion. That's how you stay healthy.
I already have scoliosis. Oh, this is light.
I feel like one of those National Geographic cameramen that are watching like all the animals fight and die and you're not allowed to do anything.
Yeah, you guys, this is how I put up my totes and it's super simple. I just... That's it. Alright, I gotta get my straps. I kind of like this video. It's like a hangout with me. Not like a super formal vlog. It's like watching me struggle and what life is really like. What else do I do to prep? Prep.
Oh, it's gonna be loud in the video.
Apparently this is gonna be really loud and horrible, so just know that I filled my tires up. Okay? Just know. To be honest, you guys, you're probably gonna see a lot of the way that I work when I'm camping in the vlog that I'm actually gonna post from where we're going. So just stay tuned. Don't worry about this hot mess. Guys, look how tragic. Honestly, when I backed up into the trash can, which is plastic by the way, so I don't know how that did this to Rue.
You probably came Evel Knievel out of the garage.
No, I didn't. I think I hit it at the corner where it flips up. And it just, I thought I hit a parked car and I was like, shit. And then I was like, oh, it's just a trash can. I'm good. Alright, you guys. Well, I hope you're enjoying Domesticated Maria. I'm like driving myself nuts. But this little camping trip Blue and I are taking is gonna be so fun. We're so excited. And that's it. So we will see you with our fun vlogs that are coming next. All right. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, sir. All right, can you do this? I don't know how to do it.